How to make a gravel pathway with Nidagravel. To prepare the base course, excavate the ground. Use a mini excavator for surfaces greater than 20 square meters. Then lay draining layer. If necessary, level using sand. Compact the surface. Place the edgings. For straight lines, galvanized steel edgings are fast and easy to install. PVC edgings are ideal for curves. The installation is simple with the lightweight and practical Nidagravel plates. Nidagravel is laid with cross joints, edge to edge, on the geotextile of the previous plate. Cutting is done with a grinder. Fill the honeycomb with gravel. Select a non-brittle gravel with an adapted granulometry. The gravel must be 1 to 2 centimeters thicker than the Nidagravel plates.